we are going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked as home inspectors. Does a home inspection pass or fail a home? The answer to this question is a big no. Our goal is to provide our clients with the current condition of a home and to share that almost anything can be fixed or repaired. We work to ensure that our home buyers are not left with unpleasant home inspection surprises. We want them to understand the inspection findings so they can make an informed buying decision. To the home seller, our home inspection findings will help you understand what issues there might be. With this information, you can work to get the items fixed or repaired before a ready, willing, and able buyer comes along. You're able to do this in your own time without being rushed by a time limit on a contract. The bottom line is, our home inspection findings do not pass or fail a home. It does give our clients the information they need about the property being considered.